TT Squad, I'm back. I'm making some tortillas. That's what you call it. That's my onions, my green peppers and red peppers. I already got the chicken already in here. It's on like the shortcut ones, and it's already grilled. I just grilled it a little bit more. And I tried the tortillas, but the corn ones, like, my son wants something to eat. My son here at home. So I'm going to fry these on top, warm them up on top of the stove for him on this side while that's cooking. Because I was going to put it in the oven, but I was like, it doesn't make sense to put it in the oven. Might as well cook it on the stove, warm it up on the stove while I'm warming it up. And that's what I'm going to do. Because they cold. So I'm going to do like 2 of them at a time. Put this side down. I don't know, I never did this one before. So it'll probably take a little finesse. I think I've been cooking. This should be what I think my 1, 2, 3rd video this week. Yeah. Wait for them to get halfway. Well, I don't know if I'm supposed to. Did I supposed to put something down here though? To make it done? Maybe I put some spray down there. I don't know because I know I had spray, y'all. I always buy spray. Bam! Cause I got my George Foreman grill. I mean, oh, it's cooking. Should have put that on first. So when y'all do it, make sure y'all put it on first. Me was not thinking. Guess you flip them over or something. When they start brown, oh, they're not brown yet. I know my son was like, Mom, make sure they get brown and all that. And the onions over here frying, and the green peppers. I love green peppers and onions and all that good stuff. But that's why I decided to make it. When he asked me, I ain't had no problem. I was like, sure, I can do that for you. Now I'm going to put the chicken in. You see the chicken? It's all like already, it's like basically just warming it up. I'm going to add it all in here. Because I've been using it for a salad, so what's it much? Something quick, fast, easy. I'm going to eat one because they only like, I think they say 80 calories or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and eat me one, make him 2 of them for him. Then I'm going to wait for this to cook down, and I'm going to add mozzarella cheese on top of it. Bam! And that'll be it. This is like a real quick video. It shouldn't take more than 10 minutes to make. Let y'all see what it look like. Bam! Look at that over there. I'm learning how to cook. I am sorry. I'm learning how to cook. Be right back, TT Squad. TT Squad, I'm back. Now I'm about to dress this up because it's done on the plate. Yes, you put a lot. See, it's so much. I love green peppers. I love orange peppers. I love onions. These are for my son. So I'm making him here. He's like, I don't want all that green peppers. I don't want all that. I'm like, okay. Try to make it. He wants some, but he just don't want a lot. That's how kids are. They want some, but they just don't want a lot. I ain't want but 1 piece of meat on mine because too much meat. I don't want too much meat. Put 1 more meat on mine. Bam. Get some onions up on here. I should have put more onions. I only think I put like, cut up like a half an onion. I got more green peppers than anything. Because I'm a green pepper person. I mean green peppers and red peppers, orange peppers. I like peppers pretty. And I can see him now. Where my onions at? So I gotta make sure I put some onions on here. When you 14 kids, they expect everything when they 14. You can't do nothing without doing it for him. But I told him her mommy gotta live. And I got me one to make tomorrow for lunch. Give me some more. Bam. Bam. Then I'm gonna put the no, it's low. It's a low measure part skin mozzarella cheese, so it's supposed to be low, I guess low fat. I don't know. Sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Sprinkle a little bit on there. Sprinkle a little bit on mine. And he gonna enjoy his. He like cheese, y'all, so I might put a little bit more cheese in here. With that being said, TT Squad, like, share, subscribe. What? Like, share, subscribe. What? Like, share, subscribe. Look, TT Squad. Peace out.